welcome back to another installment of Julian's Random Projects. I enjoyed working on the Porsche Boxster S so much that I went out and bought a second one. This one comes with a hard top. It's a different color, but we can remedy that. Maybe we'll paint it black or something. Or sell it and offset the cost of the Boxster. It's just a regular Boxster, not the S. So it's got a smaller motor. And it also doesn't run. But that's kind of a theme with me, I suppose. There's no fun in having a hobby or working on something that already works. We're trying to fix something that already works. I thought I'd take a quick second and show you these floor dollies that I use. When I bring home a car that doesn't run, the wife still likes to park here so that she doesn't have to bring groceries in while it's raining and stuff like that. And so I like to oblige and leave her space in here to park. If I'm going to be working on this car for a while and wrenching on it and fiddling with it, then I want it well out of her way. And so if I get delivered a car via tow truck guy's just going to drop it just about anywhere or do their best to put it where you ask them to put it, but it's not going to be perfect. Case in point, there's still quite a bit of room over here, and that's about the amount of room that keeps doors from getting dinged. So let's use these floor dollies and move it over. These are like El Cheapo Harbor Freight ones. They work great. And they like to roll everywhere, but other than that, they work great. So you just widen them up. Slide them right underneath your tire here, and then flip this lever, and then you start pumping them up. Now I have to be careful because all the other three are raised. So when I raise this last one, it will be free spinning on these casters. And so if you're on an incline, it's going. Or a slight incline, it's going to start creeping that way. You want to be ready for that. No amount of pulling the e-brake is going to stop it because we're circumventing the rubber and the brakes by raising it up on these casters. So, I don't know, have a hand on it or something, or know that your ground's flat. You'll be all right. One pump more, and we're free. That's it. So it's just a matter of sliding the car over. And so then, just one single person can just ease it on over. Then once you got it where you've plan on leaving it for a while, you just go ahead and drop these down. Like that. Done. Now, you can leave them like this until you're ready to move it again, but I find that when I'm walking around the car, I end up kicking them and tripping them because you think you know where the edge of the car is and then you bump into them. So just get them out of here. Get them out of here completely. Now this one's got electrical problems, so stay tuned to see how I tackle that if I can tackle it. Thanks for watching.